Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. So guys, I am making a dress for myself last minute for an event. It's supposed to be a wedding, but they say wear all white, but the gele is gold. I don't know if you can see it. It's like a mixture of gold. So the dress I was going to wear did not work out. It was just too tight around the neck. So I have found this fabric in my stash, and I'm just going to make like a nice fitted dress with sleeves and call it a day. So I've already folded it and drew out the shape and everything. And guys, let's just make this dress like in less than an hour. So guys, I'm done cutting and I'm going to sew. I'm going to use this to make like a balloon sleeve. Yeah, let's get it done. Okay, so I don't know if I have white thread. All this, I was like, I'm telling you, like, nah. So okay, I don't know if you guys can see, it has like a bit of goldish stuff. Thank God for like having like fabrics that you can just use. And it stretches. Oh, hey, let us pray that this thing works, because I didn't know what else I'm gonna do if it doesn't work. So guys, I was able to cut out 2 sleeves using my pattern. Yeah, just 2 sleeves. I wanted this part to be wide, so I'm going to use my elastic. So I'm going to sew it, attach the elastic and put it on the dress, and I'll show you guys. Yes. Okay, so guys, this is the dress. You're going to see the full dress, but I'm trying to get my makeup done. My daughter's trying to get it done for me. And then when I'm done, you'll see everything. Let me show you guys my makeup bag. Don't laugh, it's just... It's my beautiful daughter. I'm getting there. Look at my eyebrows. Ah, on flick. How do I look? Ah, as someone of Texas. Look at my makeup. Hi. Oh my goodness, I look so beautiful. Thanks to my daughter. So this is my full outfit. All the way up. I had like the balloon sleeves. And yeah, this took me like an hour plus to get done. And I love it. It saved the day. Okay, so I'm on my way to the event looking all bougie. Let me show you that's one. Okay, bye. I'm about to have fun. I'll try and vlog, but I'm not sure, but we'll see.
You want to do something, just watch. Bridesmaids,